Proprietary power leads are annoying for standard voltages. Let's face it, why? I just want to charge a little guy. Hi, Pedro here with another mod to grant USBC power to your retro goodies. With a new line of mods incoming for all Nintendo DS's and one for the PS2, I bring you the Gamer's Antiquity USB-C mod for the Nintendo Wii U charging dock. Gamepad mod coming soon as well. So if you're interested in this little guy, links down in the description below. The Gamer's Antiquity USB-C mod for the Nintendo Wii U charging dock has a built-in current limiter to help protect your device from current spikes. Let's begin by taking out the 5 tri-ring screws and the bottom shell. Next, remove the 2 Phillips screws and remove the innards. Be careful not to lose a small spring when doing so. Use some solder braid or a desoldering gun to free the cables from their archaic prison. Now, solder the cables to the new fancy prison with red on the left and black on the right, just as a prior board. Clip the inside walls and the top shell to get the right fit. Finally, let's reassemble the unit. Slap the guts back in, fasten the 2 Phillips screws, pop that top shell and fasten those tri-wing screws back on. Let's do a quick check to see if we get 5 volts out. And know that you can always do this test before installing the mod. Perfect. Now, let's see if the gamepad likes it. Look at that, the charging light comes on. Hooray! Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Links to the shop where you can get this little guy is down in the description below. Till next time, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye!